Bold action by governments, businesses and society is needed in the battle to stop climate change. We're proud to be partnering with the UK Government to support the COP26 Climate Summit in Glasgow in 2021. Decarbonisation at scale is the route to address the twin challenges of the climate crisis and spur a green economic recovery from coronavirus. That's why we're accelerating the pace of change. We're investing £7.5 billion in low carbon infrastructure that will serve the UK and Ireland for decades to come. Building huge renewable projects like the world's biggest offshore wind farm at Dogger Bank. Investing in the electricity networks to support that clean power around the country to homes and businesses. Supporting the electrification of heat and transport and new technologies like carbon capture and storage. We're committed to reducing our own emissions too, with science-based climate targets and our net zero by 2050 pledge. COP26 is a chance to show the world what can be achieved by working together. SSE is a company building a better world of energy, and we look forward to doing that in partnership with the UK Government at COP26.